With 59 fresh cases of COVID-19 reported during the past 24 hours in Manipur, the total tally has touched 2,235 in the state. According to COVID-19 Command Control Room update, the new positive cases were detected at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal and Babina Diagnostics, Imphal. The number of active cases in the state now stands at 714, while 1,521 persons have recovered so far. Thoubal district continued to register maximum number of COVID-19 cases. The district has reported 28 more cases. Out of this, 15 were confirmed at COVID-19 testing centers at Thoubal District Hospital yesterday, 4 at Waikomani Girls College and Virus Research Center, and 9 including 3 doctors and a grade 4 staffer at Diagnostic Laboratory, RIMS. An official team from different government departments led by A.K. Ranjit Kumar Singh, DRO, Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur, inspected 30 houses affected by road sinking on National Highway 37 yesterday. Ranjit Kumar Singh, DRO, Relief and DM instructed the owners of the high-risk houses to be shifted to safer places. He also assured the house owners that relief materials will be provided to them soon. Under the aegis of IGP Manipur and Nagaland Sector, Group Center CRPF Imphal and all CRPF battalions today celebrated CRPF Raising Day. The day marks the raising of Central Reserve Police Force on this very day in 1939. As part of the preventive measures taken up by Sohumbung Students Club Sohumbung against COVID-19, Sohumbung Jila Parishad member Irungbam Ravi Chandra Singh and Sohumbung Ward member Koijam Sundar Singh today organized a sanitization program at containment zones in Sohumbung area. Pawnee Softball and Baseball Association today condoled the sudden demise of A.K. Binod Kumar Singh, also known as A.K. Tarakishore Singh. Binod Kumar was a prominent sportsperson of Manipur and founder member of Softball Manipur. Roads across North Tripura wore a deserted look this morning as people responded to the state government's 3-day total lockdown call announced to curb the spread of coronavirus in the state. The lockdown, which began today, will remain in effect till July 30 morning. Japanese encephalitis JE so far has claimed the lives of 29 persons across Assam, even as the state continues to battle it out against COVID-19 and flood. According to the data revealed by the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, Assam, apart from JE, 2 persons have so far died of malaria in the state till July 25, sources said. According to the NVB DCP data, till July 25, as many as 220 positive malaria cases and 199 Japanese encephalitis cases have been reported in Assam. A father-son duo was arrested with 1.9 kg heroin in Mizoram's Serchhip district near the Myanmar border yesterday, according to media reports. The heroin worth around Rs 1.55 crore was smuggled from Myanmar, the police said. The seizure was believed to be the biggest heroin haul in the state. The accused were booked under the relevant sections of the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances NDPS Act 1985. A record rise of nearly 50,000 new COVID-19 cases in 24 hours took India's tally to over 14.35 lakh today. The Health Ministry's dashboard showed there are 4,85,114 active cases of COVID-19 and 32,771 people have succumbed to the viral disease till that. The recovery rate of patients of the coronavirus disease went slightly up from 63.92% from yesterday's 63.91% after 31,991 people were discharged from hospitals across the country. The United States yesterday recorded 55,187 new coronavirus cases in 24 hours, taking the total case load of the world's hardest-hit country to 42,29,624. An additional 518 deaths brought the overall death toll to 1,46,909. After a drop in infection rate in the late spring, the US has sent a recent surge in COVID-19 cases, particularly in southern and western states of California, Texas, Alabama, and Florida.